I want to start by introducing you to Sandra. Sandra is a marketing manager, and part of her job is to positively position her brand on customers' minds. She has chosen mobile channels to start engaging with customers anytime, anywhere. On the other hand, this is Juan. Juan could be a potential target customer for Sandra. He uses his mobile phone as an extension of his body, and he enjoys playing mobile apps and games in his mobile phone, at least until the banner ads start popping up. His game is intruded, he accidentally clicks banner ads, and this is just the way banner ads are being designed in order for ad networks to maximize their revenues. But someone's paying these costs. As customers, mobile users, we're paying the cost because we're being annoyed and intruded, and Sandra and the advertisers are paying the cost because they're paying 25 cents per click. And they're not even positioning her brand positively in customers' minds. So there has got to be a better way of advertising in mobile apps and games. My name is Jorge Gutierrez, and I'm Chief Plaiding Officer. And at Plaiding, we're changing the way advertisers reach their target customers on mobile devices. We sell a unique advertising space, but also moments on mobile apps and games. So let me try to explain with a basic example how this works. Imagine Juan, or any one of you, comfortably at home playing your favorite game. So let's say it's Angry Birds. You play it over and over and over because you want to achieve something. So you get a high score, and Juan gets really excited about his high score. We're also excited about his achievement. And only then will we send you an ad that tells you that Domino's Pizza, for instance, and you for your achievement have just donated 1 peso to a real social cause. And this is a real donation. So let me just make a pause here to see what's happening with this ad. From Juan's perspective, or the user's perspective, he's not being intruded or interrupted. This was on a pause moment of his game. No one was trying to sell him anything. The other way around, he triggered a real donation with his achievement. And he could even get a reward for his achievement. If he clicks the banner, he'll unlock a 2-for-1 Domino's Pizza coupon redeemable at that specific moment. So this type of advertising is being welcomed on his mobile device, rather than being something that he's trying to avoid. How does this affect Sandra and her job? Sandra is positively positioning her brand on his customers' top of mind. She's adding the social responsibility to her marketing campaign. And she has real-time metrics that she can follow onto so that she can decide, she can see where their clicks are coming, what games are they coming from, what type of customer, and she can decide to change her strategy in the middle of her campaign. She's engaging, and she's even getting emails for the redemptions of the coupons, so she can get the conversation further with her customers. And the most important part for her, she's getting a better return on her investment because we're just charging her on results. So everyone's happy with this type of advertising. Let me explain a little bit what plaiding is. Plaiding is the combination of playing and aiding. The more users play, the more advertisers help the world. So we believe that this virtual cycle that we've built, where we are empowering people to help while playing, and we're building a better advertising channel, building also a sustainable business model that's going to benefit all of us. How does this idea come to reality, or what have we really done with this idea? Well, we've developed our first beta prototype, functional prototype, and while developing the prototype, we spoke to a lot of our target customers, so we made sure that we were building something they were willing to use and pay for. So we spoke to many of them. Domino's Pizza was our first beta customer, and we've just transformed, after 1 month and a half of them using this beta technology, Domino's on our first paying customer. Last week, they started their first paid advertising campaigns due to the results that we've given them in terms of engagement and click-through rates. We also have some other brands already interested on the pipeline. We just have to develop our technology a little bit further on the functionality so that we really engage with those customers. They're already willing to try this technology, but we want to develop a little bit more. And we want to gain some more momentum in Mexico first as our beachhead market. And that's where our customers are, even though we're tempted to come to the US because some brands have reached us to try the technology. And then we'll start scaling. It's really easy to scale once we have all the back-end platform and our self-service platform, and then integrate to Facebook so that we can get more customers' information, and we can start building more a community so that we can save the world together, let's say, or create superheroes. Why do we think it's the right time and the right moment right now for this market? Well, we all know that the advertising market is huge right now. Mexico and USA have reported $9.6 billion of just in mobile ad spending. And with the target that we're reaching, we think our beachhead market or our total addressable market is of $1.6 billion. But the interesting part here is how this market is growing exponentially. It's expected to get up to $35 billion of ad spending from brands, and we're expecting to have an $8.3 billion total addressable market. In terms of finance, we expect to lose money the first 2 years because we're monetizing our beta prototype right now, and because of the penetration and investment that we need to do in order to develop the further functionalities. But after year 3, we think we can grow exponentially with the implementations of Plaiding 2.0, the self-service platform, the integration to Facebook, and Plaiding 3.0 with everything that we learn in the process. Why do we think we have the team to do this? Well, this has taken us 12 months to build a team that we think has the capabilities of implementing further our technology. On the operations side, we have Miguel Angel Velarde. We're all based in Mexico City. He's a serial entrepreneur with his 4th startup. He sold his last startup, and he knows how to implement the technology. On the other side, I have the background of the big companies that are our target customers. I have a corporate experience of 10 years working for American Express, PepsiCo, Frito-Lay, and Cinépolis, and all my network in Mexico is around those industries, so I have access to all of them to get the knowledge and also to sell them. On the technology side, Emiliano developed all the prototype that we have right now, that is the only asset that we have and we are monetizing. And 2 weeks ago, we just brought this new CTO. He has all the technical background, and he has developed other ad networks, and he has been coding since he was 9 years old, and he has 230 million downloads on his apps and games. So we're going to be able to leverage all those users to integrate them to the platform and start generating momentum. We have partners and mentors in different industries. I'll go into detail if you want to talk further. But right now, I just want to finish with talking about the competition. This is a fragmented industry, and we've analyzed more than 400 ad networks out there. They're all doing the same thing, but these 5 that are entering the innovation with reward-based platforms to start talking a little bit more closely to the customer. Most of them are really early startups. Keep and Mission N have been around for the last 2 years. They seem to be doing really well, but we're differentiating precisely on the social way, on the virtual cycle that I try to explain, and the intrusiveness. They use full screen banners, not precisely on pause moments of the game. The rewards they're getting, customers are not perceiving the rewards as something valuable. We're working on rewards that everybody likes, such as movie tickets, Domino's Pizza 2 for 1. In countries like Mexico, airtime. So we're being able to reward them with $1 of airtime so they can call their parents or anyone they want, because 75% of the population is on a prepaid contract, not like here in the US. And well, the social value and the targeting, with the test that we're doing, we're being able to pull a lot of the information of the customer, even their phone numbers, the type of device they're using, if it's iOS or if it's Android, and well, we're going to be able to tell if they like what kind of social non-profit they like, if they're green or if they're into education, and we're going to be able to target a little bit more on the customer point of view. And a really important one on the implementation, our technology is an SDK. I don't want to go into technicalities, but basically it's a copy-paste that app developers then just put on their code, and that's how we trigger it in specific achievement moments. From customers that we've talked to, we are the easiest ones to implement. And if we can have these partners,